thought about where germs live? Well, we're about to find out in today's story. Hi, I'm Lisa Spencer. Welcome to Storytime on the Back Porch. This is our girl Bitsy, and this is Lila. And this book is called Do Not Lick This Book. And it is by Idan Ben-Barak and Julian Frost. Let's find out where those germs live.
This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? Microbes are so small that 3,422,167 of them could fit on it. Give or take a few million. Microbes live everywhere. In the air, in your intestines, in your sock, on trumpets, Antarctica, at the bottom of the sea, on elephants' knees, just over there, underground, in your breakfast, inside this fish, on the top of Mount Everest, up Santa's nose. Min lives in this book, and if you could look really, really closely, you'd see her.
I'm bored.
This is a photo of paper really, really close up. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives. Touch the circle with your finger to pick her up. Min is now on your finger.
Away we go!
Where shall we take Min first?
Take me to your teeth.
Okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch your front teeth with your finger. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of a tooth really, really close up.
Whoa, this place is weird. I'm Min. What are you guys up to?
I'm Ray. We're digging cavities.
Want to help?
Can I get some acid over here? Yuck! Can you smell toothpaste? Hey, kid, brush your teeth less.
And eat more candy.
What a strange place teeth are when you look really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth to pick Min up. Looks like you picked up Ray as well. Where shall we go next?
Would you like to visit a shirt, Ray?
Shirt.
Oh, right. Let's explore your shirt. Put your finger on your shirt to send Min and Ray on a new adventure. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of fabric. Really, really close up.
I'm Min, and this is Ray. We're on an adventure.
Adventure! Nice to meet you. My name's Dennis.
We're making this shirt smell. Gross. Found a clean patch.
Oh, Dennis, there's some lovely filth down here.
Can you give me a hand spreading this dirt around?
What's a hand?
I hope we don't get put in the wash for a few more days.
What a strange place shirts are when you look really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt to pick them up. Dennis has come along for the ride. We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go?
Shall we visit a belly button, Dennis?
What's a belly button?
Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle it around. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of skin, really, really close up.
Hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis.
I'm Jake. Welcome. We don't get many visitors. This shirt is weird. I'm Ray.
Help yourself to a delicious chunk of dead skin.
Oh, I do enjoy a nice drink of sweat on a hot day.
Did I tell you about the time soap got all the way in here?
Oh, I don't like scary stories. What a strange place skin is. When you look really, really closely, no wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back in your belly button to pick up Min and her friends.
That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come?
What's a book?
Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. Here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Where will you take Min tomorrow?
Ooh, I have an idea for tomorrow's adventure. We could find out how many germs live on the puppy's fur. Right, Lila? Oh, yes. I like that idea. Do not lick this book. What a great story, and a story that teaches us something, too. I hope you'll join us again for another story here on Storytime on the Back Porch. And those stories are available anytime. Make sure you subscribe.